welcome back to my channel. This week I'm just bringing you one quick simple lunch idea. This idea I found on one of my favorite new YouTubers page, so I will link her channel and the link to the video. I love her recipes. Super flavorful, super filling. And I'm making quinoa bowls this week. So I have my quinoa soaking first. It's super important to rinse quinoa because they have something on them. I don't know what it is, but it's just better to either rinse them or let it soak. So now I'm going to, they're in here soaking. I'm gonna pour that water out, and I always, like there's no strainer fine enough to not let these go through the cracks. See how fine the quinoa is? I usually like keep the lid on here, just let the water slip out. Yeah. Ah, I don't want to lose any. It takes a lot of patience. There we go. There we go. There's some coming out. Bro, be for real. I'll be right back. Rinsed quinoa. Now I'm going to bring it to a boil with 1.5 cups of water and then turn the heat to low and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Quinoa is already a complete protein, but just for a little bit more protein, I'm adding tempeh into my bowls, and I hope I'm saying that right. I'm pretty sure it's tempeh. I let them marinate first before I throw them in the air fryer. Tablespoon of avocado, tablespoon of soy, teaspoon of tahini, and teaspoon of garlic powder. I'll toss that all together, let it sit in here for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and then they will cook in the air fryer on 390 for 15 minutes. When you take it out of the package, tempeh just comes in a little block cube like that. I'm gonna dice it up into about 10 little pieces. I've got my cubes because I used 2 packs and my marinade is all stirred up. I'm gonna toss those in, shake it up, and let it sit for maybe 15-20 minutes. My quinoa is done. It's super fluffy. It's been hard for me to cook quinoa because, oh, sorry, jeez. I tend to overcook it and it just dries out, but this batch came out super fluffy. I'm very happy with the results. First peek at the tempeh. Mmm, so crispy. Boy, that looks good. And I already got my assembly line set up here on the counter. So I'm about to go ahead and portion all this out because I'm not gonna lie, I am about to eat one now and I am a little hungry. So let's get into it. I mean, do you see the detail on these? Do you see the crunch? Do you taste the crunch? Do you smell the crunch? I always do this without fail. As soon as it comes out, I eat one, and I maybe burn my tongue a little bit, but it's worth it because it's so good, fresh out of the air fryer, so good. It's hot, it's hot, it's burning my finger. Not too hot. It's hot. 2 tablespoons olive oil. A little bitty squeeze of lime juice. Ground cumin. Thyme. Sage. Oregano. Black pepper. half a cup of black beans, 1/4 cup of red bell pepper, fourth cup of green bell pepper, half a cup of your cooked quinoa, and a sprinkle of cilantro and green onions. You can also add a meat of your choice. I'm doing tempeh. You could do tofu, chicken, salmon, whatever floats your boat. Just give it a good shake and a good, ooh, that just got on the table. Give it a good shake and a good stir, and here she is, beautiful. I cannot wait to dig in. So that's all for this recipe. I hope you enjoyed, and once again, credit to the creator who inspired me with this recipe. See y'all next week.
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go.